Wow. What in the world? Wow. Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am coming to you from space. Star Wars, as you can see. Not. Anyways, I went to the moon. Not. I went to the 99-cent store. Yes, I went to the 99-cent store. And I was like, I mean, you can't tell me that you don't go to the 99-cent store and are just curious about the makeup. Is it good? Is it not? I got all of this stuff for 99 cents. This is by Smoke and Mirrors. So if you're a 99-cent store, I'm not saying Dollar Tree or anything like that. I'm saying 99-cent store has these products. These are lip glosses that I'm actually going to try out for an eyeshadow. And this is a eyeshadow palette. I'm like, how good could it be? I don't know. I think I'm going to blow your mind right now. So let's go ahead and just jump to that video and tell you my final thoughts at the end of the video. Anyways, let's go ahead and just open up this palette. This palette actually looks really, really, really pretty if you look at these colors. I mean, I just had to get it. And for 99 cents, I think you would have grabbed it as well. So I'm going to go ahead and just swatch some of these and see if they are actually highly pigmented. They are very chalky, as you can see, or at least it feels like it on a few of them. So I got 6 fingers. Duh. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. For 99 cents? So these are the 3 lip glosses. These don't have any glitter in it. They're just a shimmer, and this is packed with glitter. I had already swatched a little bit on my hand. I just want to kind of show you really quick. So this is the glitter, right? The white glitter. This one is the darker and the pink. Look at that. But they dry down like super, super fast, and so I'm going to use them as an eyeshadow. And if you guys don't know, I actually use lip toppers all the time. So this is the Hyponic Lights by Milani. These are lip toppers, right? They're, I don't know, I think they were like $8. They could be $12. I'm not really sure. But you get so much freaking product in these, and they last much longer than their eyeshadows. Let me go and just swatch one of them so you guys can see. Look at that, just the shine. It gives you more of a playtime because it's a lip topper, so it doesn't dry down like immediately. So it gives you more of a playtime on your eyes. And if it's safe for your eyes, you would typically think it would be safe for your lips. No, I said that wrong. If it is safe for your lips, it would be safe for your eyes, you would assume. So let's go ahead and just dive into this palette and do an eyeshadow look and see if we like it or not. Take this transition color and just kind of put it in the crease. This is called Cupcake. Wow. What in the world? Wow. Whoa. Let's go with this color right next to it. Put that in the crease as well, just not as high. Leaving the transition color kind of just peeking out a little bit. Now I'm going to go with this darker burgundy. Going to tap it in the corner right here. On part of the lid, and then into that crease right there. Just kind of sweeping it halfway through right here. Now, if you want to lift the eye, just kind of make sure that this line right here is more straight. So you want to do just maybe like a V, straight across and then down. And that kind of, you can see it kind of lifts the eye. Super impressed so far. Okay, I'm going to take a clean brush and just go on the edge of all of this, just to kind of soften everything, even though it's already pretty darn soft. Then I'm going to go with this matte cream, put it right under the eyebrow. Wow, that's pigmented too. I'm going to take this champagne color lip gloss and put it in the corner. Let's see how this looks on the eye. So I'm going to put it right there at the base of my lashes, and then I'm going to look up, and it draws a line, and then you're just going to fill in the blanks. clean off the brush, and then I'm going to go on the edge because I don't really want to cut crease. I just want a soft color, wash a color here, and kind of soften right there the edge of this line. That's really pretty on the eye. When you put it on the eye, I'm going to just add a little bit more color. When you put it on the eye, it's kind of cold, but it's not uncomfortable at all. Just pat this down throughout. Now I'm going to take the diamond one and get a small pointer brush, and I'm going to just kind of pat this in the corner for some highlight, a focal point, and some glitter. So I'm just in the corner, and it gradually touches the champagne color. Okay guys, so all I did was put some eyeliner on and some lashes, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with the Bombshell color, which is this shimmer burgundy, and I'm going to put this under the eye. So I'm actually just going to take it here on the lashes, pushing it up into my lashes, going to tight line this just like that. I'm going to take the darker color at the end here, and I'm just going to put it in the corner. So just in the corner, and bring it up a little bit by under that eyeliner, just to kind of darken it. And now my eyeshadow look is complete. This I was so impressed with. I'm like, for a freaking $1, $1. And these, like, wow, as eyeshadows, yeah, I am like, wow, really. Honestly, honest to God, I have reviewed so many products. The cheapest I have found were like the little gifts at Walmart, or maybe even Wet n Wild has really cheap stuff. This is 99 cents, and this is extremely pigmented, and these are amazing as eyeshadows. Maybe these are not as like, as like the Milani Hypnotic Lights or Stila eyeshadows, but come on guys, 99 cents. So if you have these at your local 99-cent store, I would totally pick them up. If you are on a budget, you want pigmented eyeshadows that blend beautifully, and glosses, but I used them as an eyeshadow, I would totally tell you 100% go to your 99-cent store and pick this up. I am blown out of the park. This is amazing. I hope you guys think this review was amazing, and give this video a thumbs up. If you liked this video, please hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment down below and hit that subscribe button for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.